Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating question. What can you actually buy with 1 million Instagram followers? Spoiler alert. It's way more than just likes and comments. Let's get into it. In today's world, 1 million Instagram followers isn't just a vanity metric. It's like holding a golden ticket to opportunities. But have you ever wondered what that following is really worth? Stick around because we're breaking it all down. How you can monetize, what perks come your way, and how some influencers turn their following into actual businesses. Let's start with the money. Brands love influencers with large followings. Sponsored posts? That's $5,000 to $25,000 per post, depending on your niche. And with affiliate marketing, you could earn commissions every time someone buys a product through your link. Sounds good, right? And let's not forget, you can sell your own products or services. Imagine launching a merch line or offering exclusive online courses. The possibilities are endless. Next up, free travel and experiences. With 1 million followers, travel brands and lifestyle companies will pay for you to stay at 5-star resorts, fly you out to dream destinations, and treat you like royalty. Pretty sweet deal, right? All you need to do is post about it. That's living the dream. Having 1 million followers also gives you leverage to build your own empire. Many influencers use their audience to launch clothing lines, skincare products, or even tech brands. And guess what? People trust influencers. They'll buy what you recommend. It's not just about making money. It's about creating a personal brand that lasts. And then there's the access. From exclusive events and VIP parties to collabs with other creators. 1 million followers gets you into places most people can only dream of. Plus, you become an authority in your niche. When you speak, people listen. So, what's the real value of 1 million followers? Freedom. Freedom to create, travel, and live life on your terms. But remember, engagement and authenticity are key. Brands care more about how you connect with your audience than just the numbers. So if you're building your Instagram, keep creating amazing content and stay true to your voice. You never know where it could take you. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content like this. And let me know in the comments, what would you do with 1 million Instagram followers? See you next time.